Hi friends, welcome back to my room. It's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here.
Well, hello there.
Did you have fun playing Old MacDonald Had a Farm? That's great! Guess what? Today we're going to play it again, but this time a little faster. Make sure you practice the other lesson first so that you can play this song nice and slow before playing it a little faster. First, let's talk about playing fast and slow in music. We use the word largo when something is very slow, like you're walking slowly through the farm. And we use the word presto when something is fast, like the animals are running around the barnyard. Let's try it! If I play Old MacDonald slowly, it sounds like this. Now if we listen to it fast, it sounds like this. See how different it feels? Both ways sound great. Now let's play a game. It's called Largo or Presto. When you hear slow-sounding music, say Largo and move around slowly like a cow walking slowly in the grass. When you hear fast-sounding music, say Presto and run in place, moving like little chicks running around the farm. Are you ready? Now listen to this. Was that fast or slow? That was fast. Say presto and run in place. Make sure to watch your surroundings. Now listen to this. Was that fast or slow? That was slow. Say largo and walk around slowly. Now listen to this. Was that fast or slow? That was slow. Say largo and walk around slowly. Now listen to this. Was that fast or slow? That was fast. Say presto and run in place. Great job! Now your ears can tell the difference between largo and presto. Great job! Do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. We are on a piano adventure. Let's begin! Presto! You did an amazing job today! This song is faster than the last one, so take your time and practice it throughout the week. Even if it feels tricky at first, remember, with practice, you will play faster each time. Just keep playing this around 3 times each day. Also, try singing along with this song and also creating different sounds like quack quack, oink oink, or neigh neigh. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you are becoming a piano maestro, one key at a time. You've got this. Bye, friends!
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. See you next time!